So this part near the hub or the root here is about 13 degrees. So here's the ceiling fan motor. I haven't really wired it up yet. If it turns well, then I would hook it up. Right now I just have a few LEDs on there just to test it to see if everything works. And here's the blade, the back side of it. That's the curve, the Venturi curve. And those are the holes for the hub. Here's another view. It's not as thin as I like, but it's okay. Okay, the blades are painted with polyurethane. It's up. I don't know how well it'll turn. If it doesn't turn well, it'll come back down. It's kind of ugly looking. I didn't mean for it to turn out that way, but it is kind of ugly, but it's okay. So next up, for this car alternator, I'm not finished with it yet. I am probably going to take maybe at least a third of the PVC off so it will be thinner, and maybe I will try 3 blades instead of 6 because it needs to get up to speed to get to 12 volt